Welcome back to another Andrew Marsham Fitness meal prep. Today we are making some chicken tacos. Start to finish, going to take 10-15 minutes, easy, 3 meals, no bother. Stay tuned to the end to watch how to see the full thing. This is today's ingredients, very simple. Peppers, red onion, some taco seasoning, salsa, chicken, some mixed bean salad, some garlic and some rice. This is a bit of a mess, but it's already been cooked. And that's going to make up the bowls. As you can see, I've cut up the veg, just sticking the pan onto a high heat. Going to give that a spray with some palm spray as well. While I'm doing that, I'm going to drain off the beans and also weigh out the chicken. I'll bring you back in a second for that. Just going to throw this in. Now I'm going to cut this up separately from the chicken. So I'll just chop them up, cook them for 3 to 4 minutes until the onions are kind of crispy and things like that. Bit of salt, bit of pepper, and the garlic's in there as well. And then set aside and I'll cook the chicken separately. I'll just show you, just going to start cutting the chicken up and weighing out. I know I'm going to need around 150 grams of chicken per serving. That'll probably give me a good 30 to 40 grams of protein, somewhere in that region. So all you do, cut it up, stick your bowl on and start weighing it out. And I'm making 3 servings, so I want 150 grams per serving of chicken breast. I know that's roughly going to be enough for a good kind of hit protein, and I'll just keep weighing it out until then. I'll see you in the next clip when I'll show you the veg finished. Just keep stirring that veg as well, keep that moving, otherwise it sticks to the pan. So the veg has had about 3 to 4 minutes, that's roughly where I want to be at. Again, if you can eat them raw, that's fine by all means. All I'm going to do now is switch these over here, change up the camera angle for you, and I'm going to be portioning the veg out. So that's just going into each bowl, about 1/3 of the mixture. 1, 2, 3. Easy again, it doesn't need to be perfect. Now I'll just put that pan back on because I'm going to use exactly the one for the chicken. Also, in goes these beans for the bean salad. So getting a great source of protein, fibre, veg, micros, everything in there. This is a complete meal and one that you can really use and tastes amazing. So I'll show you the next bit in a second. All I've done for the next stage, I've done that fat enough, is add in the chicken right into the same pan, add some salt and pepper and the packet of fajita mix I showed you at the start. I'll cook this for anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes, just constantly stirring until it's cooked through. Just check a piece when you think it's nearly done to make sure it's cooked all the way through, and you'll be good to go. But this is the last part of the recipe and I'll show you the finished article in a minute. That's the chicken all finished up, so all I'm going to do is portion that out evenly between the 3. Again, just eyeballing is going to be enough, you don't need to be bang on exact with it. I had to put a wee bit of water in the pan as well, just as a note, because the season did kind of dry it up a bit, so just adding a wee touch of water is easy enough. But there you go, there's a good taco bowl, some rice, some chicken, some veg, beans, perfect recipe. Excellent recipe, done again, start to finish in about 10-15 minutes. Ideal, perfect meal prep. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and comment below if you did. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe for more videos in the future. See you in the next one.